on a double, on a double, on a double, on a double in a bubble. PulseX, 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 PulseX. Yo, 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 this is the Kenyan hexagon, or this is the PulseX X. This is the Kenyan PulseXican. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Now we are looking at PulseX, and this is a brief description of how price has been performing. So PulseX is powered up. It is powered up plus 236.74%. Yeah, so that is the current price of this token. Remember, this is the liquidity engine for PulseChain. Yeah, again, this is the PulseChain blockchain. If we are able now to see how these assets have been performing, this is the PulseChain blockchain. We are in the 12,000. The 12,000 and price is sitting at 0.40144 144 for US dollars. Actually, Pulse is up 162% from the bottom. And again, now we are looking at this PulseX. PulseX is sitting at 0.401324 US dollars. It is up 228.45%. And we have seen this price from all-time low. Yeah, so yeah, from all-time low it is green and price is actually moving up. Yeah, so that is what we were looking at. And back to this is the PulseX chart on the daily time frame. Yeah, before we got that, was what you are looking at. Actually, PulseX has been going up from this bottom around June, and now price has been moving up. Yeah, up to this point. You can see this was the previous higher high. Okay, not the higher high, but the previous high now. Yeah, but then currently price has just moved up to this point. You can see currently it is sitting at 0.40132. That is PulseX. Again, this is the linear scale that is tracking this target, which will be the 10,000 times from this bottom. And currently, we can see it is at 3.37 times from the low. That is the bottom from the bottom multiple. Yeah, yeah. On a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble, in a PulseX bubble. On a double, on a double, on a double, in a bubble. Yeah, so again, this is the bestchat.com. Yeah, you can be able now to visit it anytime and you will be able to pull these stats up. Yeah, again, PulseX. PulseX, this is the price chart. You can be able now to see how price has been moving up, and now we are also tracking this price from this low here where price had reached this low, and again price has been consolidating around this zone, like a price range. Then after this liquidity sweep, okay, where price has taken up this liquidity at this point, price has been actually, after that you can see this big green candle. This is a very, very high candle to show that there is some good liquidity that had been put here. And after that, you can see price has been moving up to currently. You can see price has reached at 0.401315. Yeah, that is basically what we are looking at here. And this chart is looking interesting. Okay, so we can even now go maybe to the 4-hour time frame, and we are able now to see how price has reacted, yeah, in the last week. And now we are entering into a new week. Yeah, so we have these higher high and these this high and now this lower high here. So if we connect maybe a trend line here, we are going to see price maybe in retesting to around to this support zone here around 0.401150. Yeah, and then sure enough, we'll see how price reacts after that. All right, that is PulseX, and thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to also get an overview of analysis for these other coins. We have Hex, we have the incentive token, we have other meme coins around there. Yeah, so these are the core coins on PulseChain blockchain, and this is how they are performing. Yeah, let me see you on the next one as we look at PulseX.